Hi, welcome back to JD Vishnu YouTube channel. This side Vishnu. Today I am shooting NCC Urban One luxury gated community apartments at Narsingi. Now you are watching 4 BHK model flats with interior with furniture. Please watch complete video till the end. Don't skip the video because I am covering all details in this video. Watch till the end. This project spread across 17.5 acres, 12 towers, still plus 18 floors. 1317 apartments, 3, 3.5 and 4 BHK apartments. Starting range 1535 square feet to up to 3380 square feet. Now available sizes 1535 square feet, lower floors limited units available, tower 8 and 12. 4 BHKs available, starting size 2630 square feet to 3380 square feet. Available tower 11 and 9. So whoever looking 4 BHK apartments in Narsingi location in a luxury gated community, excellent connectivity, please let us know. We will help to you. If you want more details, contact and display number to schedule your site visit. Excellent connectivity, huge balconies and ready to move in, brand new apartments. And this project IGBC pre-certified green buildings, 80% open space, less density, more UDS and access to the 100 feet roads, close to IT Hub Financial District and close to ISKCON Temple, Golden Mile Road, Kokapet. And it is very close to all international schools, malls, hospitals, hotels, and your daily needs. And also, you have luxury amenities, swimming pool, toddler pool, gym, and pharmacy, tennis court, badminton court, basketball court, multi-purpose hall, jogging track, amphitheater, party lawn, green zones, exclusive pickup and drop off zones for each tower, exclusive children's play area, spacious high speed automatic passenger lifts, 100% generator backup to all flats, intercom facility from flat to security rooms to ensure screening of visitors, sewage treatment plant, water treatment plant, firefighting system as per Telangana fire and safety norms, centralized piped gas connection, and they are giving main door and internal doors. So, engineering wood frames with solid core flush shelter with polished veneer wood finishing for main door and same for internal doors also. Whoever interested for more details, contact and display number to schedule your site visit. If you are watching first time JD Vishnu YouTube channel, please subscribe, like, share your friends and family members. We are dealing West Hyderabad, all luxury gated community, high-rise apartments and villas. Whoever wants to purchase, whoever wants to sell your flat in a gated community, let us know. We will help to sell your property in West Hyderabad. Thank you. and this project very close to Hyderabad International Airport also, and close to bicycling track also. Thank you. Bye.